La 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 la. We're in my messy room on Thanksgiving. That's not my bed. Look at this messy room. Messy room, messy room. So my mom won't let me videotape downstairs because she's making Thanksgiving dinner. Ooh, scary. We don't really need the flash, do we? Everyone's making fun of me for wearing a dress. It's not fair. I don't get to dress up often. The sweet smell of Thanksgiving. Turkey Day! We're not really making a turkey, though. Between you and me, we did not make this pie. And yes, it's a pie, not a cake. Happy! Huh?